Let us see some best practices in valuation. Standardized procedures. You are thorough in IVS, you are thorough in banking norms, you are thorough in whatever the procedures are there, then what will happen? Very good. Because you are adopting a physical inspection, ensures consistency and reliability in valuation process. You know standardized procedures and the steps to be followed during inspection, checklist, and including data collection. It's an art. Data collection is an art. Documentation, before collection, after collection, completion of report, and storing of data is an art. And reporting requirement. A good report writing is one of the wonderful reports. By establishing clear guidelines and protocol, the valuation professionals can ensure that the inspections are conducted consistently across different assets and locations. This will enhancing the reliability and comparability of the valuation outcome. Qualified personnel. There is some different valuation has come. I said, sir, I do not know this, but let me check with my senior valuer. That's the right thing. You should not, just like that, you should not accept. Valuation of quarry, mineral, material is totally different. Toll gate is totally different. Historical property valuation is totally different. They are totally different. You should adapt. You should learn. Learn from senior. Learn from CEP. Learn from COP. So employing qualified personnel with a relevant expertise and experience is essential for conducting effective physical inspections. The property is stigma. The stigma property is required some environmental experts' opinion. You should appoint. You should take with the consultation of the owner. You should take a report. And the qualified inspector should have a thorough understanding of an asset being inspected, as well as the applicable industry standard, regulation, and best practices. By leveraging the expertise of qualified personnel, the valuation professional can ensure the inspections are conducted accurately, efficiently, leading to more reliable valuation outcome. Doing the work with a qualified personnel, very important. Technological integration, yes. Integrating technology into the physical inspection process enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness. Technologies such as drones, artificial intelligence, remote sensing, and digital imaging tools can be complement traditional inspection methods. How many of us is using? We should learn. We should try to understand. These are all allowing for more comprehensive data collection and analysis. All this drone, AI, and digital imaging, so all will help you. By leveraging technology, automated valuation has come. People are afraid. One day I will not have work because everything is automated. Bank is interested in automation. Yes, there is no need for them to fight with the valuers. But how long this automated valuation can be dependent? because it is collecting from the various sources and gives the valuation. So by leveraging technology, valuation professionals can conduct inspections more quickly and cost effectively, while also gaining access to valuable insights and data that may not be readily available through manual inspections alone. So technology integration is one of the most important things. You should know what is the latest trend which is followed. Documentation and reporting. Thorough documentation and reportings are essential components of a physical inspection process. If it is a leasehold property, the leasehold property documentation has to be read well. If you are not reading the entire document, gone case. For how much year? Long-term lease or short-term lease or perpetual lease? Any other conditions are there? What is the premium? What is the rent? It's a per year. What is the renewable time? What is the renewable condition? Unearned increase. What is the return of land? Reversionary. These are all the things need to be seen with the document. The valuation professional should maintain the detailed records of inspection process, including observations and findings, photographs, and any relevant documentation or supporting evidence. It's very important. Supporting evidences are very important. Clear and comprehensive reporting ensures transparency and accountability in valuation process, allowing stakeholders to understand the basis for valuation conclusion and make informed decisions based on reliable information. So documentation is not so easy. You should be carefully collected all the information and digitalized saving is more important. If somebody is calling you, sir, I wanted the report, bank itself is calling. You have done the valuation in 21. Please kindly give me a copy of your report. If you are taking everything in hard copy, then gone case. One fine morning, your room will be full of documents. Instead, you start saving it digitally. Scan it. Save it digitally. Collected of whatever information, save it in PDF and save it in your system. Every year, change it to hard disk. Keep it with you. Good system of saving. If you are having a server, that will be still good. So clear and comprehensive reporting ensures transparency, accountability in valuation process, allowing stakeholders to understand the basis for valuation conclusion and make the informed decision based on the reliable information. I have seen some reports. Unwanted things has been written with so many pages. Nobody is required. Not required. The financial people, whether it is an auditor, whether it is a company secretary or either a banking official, they will see the required relevant informations only. That's one of the reasons they made the standard format. This is what we require. We will have to answer very clearly. If you have anything to be written, you'll have to written separately and very clearly. Yeah, this is required to understand that quality control measure. The implementing quality control measures through the inspection process helps ensure the accuracy and reliability in valuation outcome. When I going to present the checklist, I wanted to discuss with everyone. Your inputs may help me. I can include some of the points also in my inspection checklist. The quality control measures may include independent reviews, peer evaluations, and internal audits to verify the accuracy of the consistency of inspection results. By maintaining rigorous quality control standards, and valuation professionals can identify and address any discrepancies or errors in the inspection process. What will happen? It will ensure that the valuation outcomes are based on a reliable and objective evidence. By following these best practices, the valuation professionals can enhance the effectiveness and reliability of physical inspections, leading to more accurate and predictable asset valuation. Standardized procedures, qualified personnel, technological integration, documentation, and reporting, and quality control measures. These are all the essential components for a robust inspection process that ensures transparency, accuracy, and reliability in asset valuation. Very important.